Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create delegates using C Sharp. Basically, what is the purpose of delegate? We are going to uh, just look at how we can use delegates in the real world applications. So right now I'm going to create a simple console application for demonstrating the use of the delegates. So first of all, what is a delegate? So a delegate is basically nothing but a function pointer that's holding the address or a reference to a function. So meaning that you can just pass down the address of a function and that can be invoked from anywhere in the call stack. So basically that's the main purpose of the delegate, just like the events, how the events are working. So you are basically using delegates underneath the events, because that's how the event know which method to get called. Basically you are passing the address of a method when you are making use of the events. So now in the delegate, so basically let's see how you have to declare a delegate. So for this example I'm going to create a simple example. Let's say this is some simple processor. So what we are actually trying to do is we are going to make a call from main method to our symbol processor, and this processor we are going to pass down the address. So we are going to pass down the address of a method inside the main that's going to print the message from simple processor. So instead of returning some value, what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we pass down the address of a method. So what we do is I'm going to simply create a method, print message, let's say string message. If you just learn this, it will be very simple. Now what I'm going to do, uh, process and print. Here I'm going to pass down this address. Now this Visual Studio, when I do a right click, it's going to generate the method for me, right? And here you see that the action it already created for us, which is nothing but a delegate. So it encapsulates a method that has a single parameter and it does not return a value, right? So I just passed down the address and it was quite simple. So now what I do, so let's say to demonstrate the real application, so let's say I use a thread here, right? And so basically this can be anonymous method here. What's wrong? So here I can say thread.start. Okay, so now basically I've created a thread, assuming that this thread is doing some work, and we are going to sleep it for simulate as if it is doing some work. And once this is done, what we are going to do is we are going to make a call print message, task completed. So this way you are communicating from your thread to your main class, right? So this is how. Now let me run this start. So what is the output that we expect? Okay, so you see that there was a message, task completed, and let's just make it. So here, what I'm going to do is received task. So this thing is going to communicate to this program.cs print message. Now let me demonstrate with debugging. Let me start this debug. You see that I have received in my call stack, I've received a task, and it is printing this. So now after a couple of seconds I have received a prompt here. So in this I execute. So you see that's how the delegates work, and it is quite simple to implement. So it's what you need is, let me do a quick recap here. So what you need is so the action is nothing but a delegate that encapsulates your delegate. Basically it encapsulates a method that has a single parameter which does not return a value. So of course there are other delegates that you can use that returns a value, like func, which is like you need to there is some syntax that you need to follow. It encapsulates a method that has no return parameter, right? Basically it doesn't takes in any parameter and returns a value to the path. Now if you take in action, this basically it does not return a value but takes a single parameter. So there is some difference between them. So yeah, that's it for this demo, guys. Just subscribe. I hope you like this video. Just subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.